don't always see the night.
Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another video, and I'm gonna talk about the full drop list for Supreme week 13, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm gonna talk about that shit. I'm gonna rapid fire through it today. I'm not trying to be up here for hella long, you feel me? But let me know what kind of videos you would like to see in the comments below. I'm actually trying to record different shit, so whatever you have in mind, let me know. Like, what are you watching on YouTube? Anything, bro, let me know. I'm actually trying to grind, and I'm trying to go so hard, so let me know what y'all trying to see, and I got you. But with all that being said, leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, click the post notification bells, and let's get straight to it. So we're gonna start at the top of the list with the S Logo Keychain. This is actually one of the pieces that I might even go for this week. I feel like there's not that many items that I really want. This is one of those pieces that I might say fuck it, you feel me? It's a little keychain vibe, looks kind of cool, might pick it up, especially for the $24 retail. It's not that bad, but if that's the only piece I like from this shit, then it's a dub, because I'm not paying shipping for this shit only, especially if I'm only going for that, you know what I'm saying? But I wouldn't mind getting either color besides that white/silver. I'll take either one of the other ones. We do got the Snowman hooded sweatshirt. I actually think this one is solid, but I got a video coming up where I unbox this hoodie. If y'all saw, you feel me, that's coming up this week, so I don't really need this Snowman hoodie. I do think it's solid though, especially in the pink, that blue, the black, or all these colors are hard, honestly. All these colors are hard. $158 on retail. That one is probably the best piece that's wearable this week. I see why it's at the top of the list, but we do got this Sun Damaged by Harmony Corinne. I don't know what this is. I don't know what it's about. I gotta see what it's about, to be honest, because I was thinking about buying it, but I don't know what the fuck this book is, you feel me? So I gotta see what's up before I get myself invested into buying this shit. If y'all know what this Corinne shit is about, let me know in the comments, because I might buy it, might not. If I end up liking this, I'd get that in the keychain, and it's a doable week, you feel me? But if not, I might just end up sleeping in general. Let me know what that sun damage shit is about in the comments. But we do got this Supreme paper, bruh. 500 sheets of blank paper, bro. Who's paying $60 for this bullshit? Definitely not myself. Let me know in the comments if you're going for this shit. I don't know if I guess you could print stuff on it and it has like a watermark that has the Supreme logo on it. Personally, I'm gonna end up sleeping on this shit 100%. I don't really need that, you feel me? I'm good. Like, I'm solid on that shit. We got the wool camp cap coming out for $58 too, bro. They wildin', like, nah. If I was to go for this, I'd probably go for the black or the forest green. Low-key, I've been messing with green a lot lately. I don't know why. I feel like that's gonna be my fall/winter color this year. I don't know. That and like mustard. We got the micro down half zip hooded pullover, and we got the pants to match. I'm gonna get them knocked out at the same time. If you wearing these bitches together, you wild. First of all, let's get that out the way. I don't know how I feel about the pants. The jacket is kind of hard, I'm not gonna lie. The only color I'd probably get it in is black. Maybe if the orange was like on sale, you feel me, I would get the orange. Honestly, $238 on this is kind of hefty, and I might just sleep on that shit in general. But if you're looking for a solid everyday jacket, I would go with the black one. Black only, bro. Like, I was about to say maybe one of the other colors, but no, bro. Black only. The pants, no. Just don't do it to yourself. Personally, I don't know if you out here going skiing and you need these, you feel me, that's all you, but I'm good on those. We got the small box face mask zip up hooded sweatshirts for $168. The COVID relief hooded sweatshirt looking ass. This one basically has a mask inside the hood. I don't know what the fuck, but it flaps and you could button that bitch together. That shit gonna be nasty after like a couple wears. Like, that shit gonna have hella spit on it. Let me know if that's something you rocking with. Personally, I'm solid on that. One thing I do like is the colorways. Like, the colors are solid. That like rusty red color is a banger. That olivey green shit is hard too. You got a cream in there. The colors are hard. I don't know how I feel about the whole face mask on a sweater. I don't know, bro. I think that's a stretch. We got the Missoni pieces, which I'm gonna cover at the end of this video simply because I did make a video on it yesterday. I'm not trying to recover the whole shit. Hooded MA1 jacket. This one comes in 3 colors. Has that Supreme branding across the hood. I think this one is alright. Only color that's kind of decent is the black, simply because the shit is tonal on the head. I'm sleeping on this shit, bro. $328 retail. They smoking it, bro. Like, but next we got the Gore-Tex Corduroy Classic 6 logo, but we do got this one in 5 colors, and they do come in like these more fall-y type vibes. I wish there was like a dark brown for this corduroy. That would have been hard, but I'm just sleeping on it. Nothing really stands out too much. More Missoni shit. The zip off utility pants aren't that bad. Basically, those are long pants that you could unzip and they turn into shorts. That's actually hard, and they're actually cargo pants as well, so you got cargo pockets on the shorts or the pants. Definitely a solid pair of pants. For 168, it is a little bit steep. Hey, at least you know that the quality will last you through time. Personally, I'm sleeping on these bitches. I'm not even lying to y'all. We do got this Snowman beanie, which the Snowman beanie is actually kind of cool, but I already got hella beanies, so I don't really need to spend more money on more beanies. Like, it don't make no sense. There's this above all football jersey coming in 3 colors. I don't know, bro. This just takes me back to like 06 when beepers were the shit. Like, I don't even think I'd be rocking this. They don't even make the size that you would need to get this in. This only goes size XL. You probably need like a 4X, you feel me? This shit gotta go to your kneecaps. Like, this shit ain't working. It don't make sense for the time we living in, slight bars, but this is kind of cool, you feel me? If that's what you into, but not for me. Definitely not for me. The black one is alright. Besides that, nah. Especially that baby farm blue on this shit, like, we good, bro. We got the Rap logo beanie, which comes in like 5 colorways. This one's actually not that bad, and I don't know why it's so low. It's maybe because it doesn't have a cuff, and a lot of people don't really mess with beanies without cuff, but at this point, so many people like beanies with cuffs that I want some without it type shit, if that makes sense. I feel like I would get this in that black color. I just don't understand why it's $38. You feel me? It's just a beanie. Like $20, $25, I feel you, but $38 plus 10 shipping plus tax for a beanie, bro. You paying like 60 for a beanie. I already have like 10 of these shits. It wouldn't make sense to buy another one, so I'm good on that. And then we got the Missoni collab, bro. One thing I do like about it is that retail is way lower than what a lot of people were saying or estimating for them. Honestly, at a certain point, I thought retail was gonna be really high as well, but the hoodie being at 168 retail isn't too bad. I still wish the branding was tonal. If it had that black or white branding, I honestly would have went for that brown color. That's not the case, so I'm not going for that shit, so I'm good. I definitely think that the hoodie is a fire piece. I just wish that the branding was different. I don't know why. It looks too much to me, the way that they ended up doing it. The white one with the different colored letters, that one's hard. I just can't bring myself to wear white. Low key, if you get the white one and dye that shit with coffee, I might do that. Low key, if I get the white one and dye it in coffee, then the letters stay the colors, but the white turns to brown. Past the sky, bro. I'm trying to tell you, but that hoodie is fire. Honestly, the white one is a banger. If you do the idea that I said, come on, phenomenal, bro. Phenomenal, bro. Yeah, the price on that one ain't that bad. Honestly, there's a couple selective pieces I would go for. The crew neck at $298. They wildin', bro. $298 for a crew neck? This shit gotta be made out of Italian leathers, bro. $298, like, they're wildin'. Why is the hoodie not worth this much? I don't know. Let me know in the comments what y'all gonna be going for. Personally, I might just bow down and take a seat this week. I don't know yet. If I do change my mind, y'all gonna see a live cop. If not, y'all gonna see an unboxing or something else. Maybe Fashion Nova, maybe something else. I don't know what's coming, but something's dropping Thursday, you feel me? Something's coming, just I don't know what. But with all that being said, leave a like on this video if you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Click on post notifications so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel, bro. Come on. 20K is getting closer and closer. We gonna pass that shit. And once we do, it's only up. So come on, bro. Join us. Let me know what y'all would like to see. Like, we could all grow together. That's the key, bro. Let me know what y'all would like to see. But with all that being said, yo, NFTs, whatever y'all want to see, yo, anything, bro. But yeah, with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace. Stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night.
They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.